Today, I will demonstrate the EJEAS Q8 and our EJEAS application, a demonstration of the connection operation process. I'll show you two methods. The first one is relatively simple, which is to open our application first. Turn on the Bluetooth on our phone. Then turn on the device. And enter the mobile phone Bluetooth connection operation. Long press the middle button. Open the upper right corner to turn on Bluetooth. Click Refresh. And find the first one closest to us. At this time, the application is connected, but because of an Apple system reason, we need to go back to the phone settings. Turn on Bluetooth. Click on this Q8. At this time, the device light turns blue. It's connected, and the notification bar also has an earphone icon. Now we go back to the application. There is a blue icon that turns blue, which means it is connected. Device information. Then music. This is a newly added function. Here is music sharing. Click music sharing. The device automatically enters the music sharing function. Then click it again to turn it off. Here is to adjust the volume. FM radio. Search for radio. Automatic search for radio. Click to collect. Adjust the volume. Search down. Click Favorite. Switch. Turn off FM. FM radio is off. The sound is only the volume of the prompt tone. Then the volume of incoming calls. Voice assistant. These are some parameters. And mash. You can choose intercom and listening mode. Click Start Pairing. Select a master and a slave. Click OK when selecting the master. System pairing. Enter a mesh pairing. Click again to close. When you choose the host, clicking once is equivalent to clicking once. But when you choose the master, you must. As a slave, I'll enter a pairing mode. Then you can click the slave. Otherwise, some devices will not be added. This is the maximum number of members. Currently, our Q8 can connect to 6 devices. After the connection is successful, there will be some current connected device numbers. There will be some displays. Then you can also connect to the listening mode. You can also choose the listening mode. Then EJEAS pairing, which is our controller. Click it to enter the EJEAS pairing mode. Confirm to turn on. Enter the controller pairing mode. Click it again to turn it off. Clear pairing. It means to clear and restore to default settings. Clear the phone connection, mesh connection, and Bluetooth records. Turn off the device means turn it off directly. Create a group. We click Create. Select the group name you want, 1 to 3. Click OK. You can join by scanning the code, or enter the number to join. Select to join the group. You can scan the code. You can also scan the code, or enter the number. There is also a share here. Click in to view all member information. Set the captain. Turn on 5G Intercom. After joining the group, click to turn on 5G walkie-talkie. Unlimited distance real-time communication. Allow microphone. Click again to turn off 5G Intercom. Here to disband the group. My friends. You can add my friends. Add friends here. Enter his friend number. Then the operation guide. Some operation guides for all our models. Q8. Is its manual. Then switch the language. Set it here, language settings. Here you can follow the mainstream language of the system. Click English. It becomes English. Click Japanese, and it becomes Japanese. Let's show the second connection method. We first unbind the device. Clear records. Clear device records. Now there are no records in the system and app. The second connection method. We first connect to the system Bluetooth. The device enters the connected Bluetooth phone. Click Q8. It's connected. Then the machine flashes blue light. Then we go back to the app. Click Pair Device. Click Q8 again. The Bluetooth icon turns blue. Connection successful. The power display. Connection successful. Then clear the pairing. I choose to clear the pairing. The machine prompts to restore default settings. Clear success. It only clears the device from the phone. Its records, but not the records between the phone and the device. Next time you need to reconnect. Ignore to methods. You need to connect the iPhone twice.